Good morning, good morning. In 2 days' time, it is the year anniversary of Tunkasila's transition. Yeah, and so when I sat with my animal friends, it was quite clear that the spirit of Tunkasila, Najal Najai, wished to step forward this week for our animal wisdom soul share. So yeah, let's see what she wishes to share with us. Yeah, so listen with eyes open, listen with eyes closed, but listen from the heart. And yeah, let us see what we are to hear, to receive. Dear ones, we are your friends and you are our friends. We are your friends that are always with you. We are your friends that are always whispering to you, always speaking to you. Can you not hear us? You can. You can hear us if only you allow yourself. If only you allow yourself to trust, to know, to believe like it were magic. For it is magic, my dear ones, it is magic, and you are in magic. You are not only in magic, but you are also magic. You are magnificent and you are magic. Believe this. Believe this, dear ones, that you are magic. Do not doubt yourself. Do not doubt what others tell you or say to you or make you believe. Be your own magic. Sit in this magic, and there you will hear us. We have not gone. Nothing has ever gone. We are not gone. We are here always with you. You are here always with us, again and again and again and again. You do not need to be in a body to be with us. We do not need to be in a body to be with you. That is just make-believe. But the magic is real. The magic is real. And step deeply into the magic, into ways that you may even doubt. Go and be in this way and feel it and feel us. There is talk of loss, of losing, of being lost. We are not lost. We are not lost. We are here. We are here with you. Are you lost? Are you lost, dear one? Then go into the magic and find yourself. Go into the magic and reveal yourself and all that you are capable of and all that you are and how you can continue to be with us. There is no separation here. There is no separation between realms, divisions, worlds. All is real and all is there. You are already accessing it. You are already capable of accessing it. believe. You long to be with us, you long for us, but we are here. We are here always. Yes, we are not in physical form as we were. We are not in physical form anymore like you are. But that does not matter. That is no barrier. We wish for you to step beyond this barrier that is not real, this barrier that is make-believe, this barrier that has been implemented and placed. Blow it away. Blow it away. The barrier does not exist. Barriers between worlds do not exist. You can access these places. You are of these places. This is you. This is who you are. Do not limit yourself. Do not doubt yourself. There are no limits. There are no limits. And I am here always. We are here always. We pull you in from the physical into the invisible, into spirit that you are, into spirit that we now are. This spirit world is fully available to you. This spirit world is fully calling you, for you are it. This is what you know fully. This is what you trust fully. This is what you know so well. Yet you hide yourself from this, yet you deny yourself of this. Yet we are here, we are waiting here, and denying yourself denies you the opportunity, denies you the availability to us always. And then you feel lost. You long for us, you want us, but we are here. We are here waiting. We are here calling. We are here whispering. We are here showing. Allow yourself to remember, allow yourself to return. Go be physical, go be great and magnificent in the physical that you are and your capabilities and all that you are to be bringing. But do not deny yourself the spirit. Do not deny yourself this that you also are, and this that is also so deeply a part of you that you can step into in any moment you can step into and experience and receive and be and feel and share and connect and converse. There is no doubt. There is nothing to doubt when I tell you, when we share with you that those that you have loved, that me, I, we, that you have loved, we are here. We are on the other side. And you love us and we love you. So do not deny this for yourself. Do not deny accessing, being, sensing, feeling, having space with a loved one that you loved so dearly in the physical world, that loves you so dearly. That love does not go. That love is not lost. We are here waiting. We are in a different realm, a different room. Open the door. Open the door in the way that this door is to be opened for you, in a way that feels right for you, and in a way it can be opened in the magic. Do not deny yourself the magic. Everything is magic. Everything is magic. Opening this doorway is opened through magic. And so believe. Do not believe the make-believe, but believe. Believe in you. Believe in your magic. That is what matters. Believe in your magic, and there all is possible. The doorways are opened. You have access to all that makes sense and to all that does not make sense. It does not need to make sense. All is open to you. All is available to you in all ways. Allow yourself to receive fully and freely. Allow yourself to be free. Allow yourself to be free, to be in the freedom of your magic, to play and move and speak and observe and dance in the movement of your own magic, in the freedom of your own magic. We want to be with you still, and we are here. We are here with you still. But you need to step over. You need to stop the doubt. You just need to go. Go into it. Take a breath. Tell yourself you are magic and step. Take a step. You can do that, can you not? You are capable of stepping. Take that step and enter the magic. And it may feel unusual at first. You may have to practice much. But it doesn't matter, for the magic is the magic, and the magic is real. It is there always. It awaits you. We are asking you, dear ones, we are asking you, come and be with us in this way. Come and feel in this way. And come and deliver whilst you are in the physical world. Come and deliver all this magic. You know it deep, deep, deep. When you question yourself, when you doubt yourself, when you feel you have heard something and then deny it, do not deny it anymore. You are spirit. You are magic. You are vibration, and you are vibrating, and we are vibrating with you. Come back to this place. Come back to this place, and you will see there is no loss. You will understand there is no loss. There is nothing to be lost. All that is lost is yourself. All that is lost is your magic. Be free now. Dear ones, we speak to you. Be free now. Be free to exist in your magic. You see the magic in us. You understand this. You know this. You talk of it in different ways. This of what you talk of is our magic, is our medicine. Go be your medicine. Go be your medicine. And when you are in your medicine, you will connect. You will be. In all ways, you will be. And you will meet us. You will feel us. You will be with us. We will converse. I am magic. And how I exist is magical. How you exist is magical. For all those loved ones lost, for all those animal friends that were with you, that are now out of their body, we are not lost. We are not lost. We are here celebrating you. We are here celebrating with you. Maybe you cannot feel this yet, but you will, because you can. You will, because you can. Step into this. Step into this. Practice and step into this. Nothing can ever be lost. Nothing that ever exists can be lost, for it exists, and we are here existing in a different way, in another way, but yet we are here existing. And so you can continue to exist with us in these ways that allow you to be even more magnificent, even more powerful, even more magical. For you step outside of yourself and bring it back into yourself. You step outside of yourself and bring it back into yourself. When we come out of our body, when we transition, this is our offering to you. This is our promotion to you. That we still get to be together, that we still are together, but in ways that are to expand you, to stretch you, to allow you to come out of yourself and back into yourself, to bring all these things to your life, to your world, to what you can place, to what you can place in your physical existence. And so know that our loss was for this. Know that our way of leaving the body was for this. And so do not speak of it as loss. Do not feed the words of loss. This can frighten the heart. This can frighten the body of loss, of something lost. But we are not lost. We never will be lost. And so if you are able, dear ones, change the words. If you are able, we ask you, there is no loss. What is felt is a calling. What is felt is your heart, your soul calling you to step, to take a step, and to continue to be with us in this new way, in this way where we can feed you, where we can nourish you into your own medicine, into your own magic. And the name that it is given, yes, is loss, but it is not a loss. It is your soul calling. It is your soul calling. And what becomes loss is your soul is not heard, that you do not hear your soul, you do not listen to your soul. You do not follow the message, the instruction of your own soul. And dear ones, this is what we come to speak of now. Follow your own soul. You can. You come as soul, so you can. You are soul. This has not been told to you for such a long time, but you are soul. Your soul knows. Your soul is part of the everything. And we ask you, dear ones, we ask you to listen to your soul, to be guided by your soul, to have fun in being your soul. There is so much enjoyment to have. There is so much enjoyment to have. Deny yourself no longer. Do not doubt any longer. Do not listen to the make-believe any longer. Believe. Believe that you are magic and be magic in all ways that feel good for you and in all ways that feel uncertain for you. Go and be it. Go and be it. Magic is unidentifiable. Magic is just magic. Magic just is. It just is. My dear ones, all of us are here. All of us are here for you that have had us in your physical life. And now we are here. We are here in all ways. We never left. We never left. Allow your heart to hear and receive our words. We never left. What has been left is your soul. You left your soul. This is what we observe when we are with you in physical form. We observe how you that have so much power, so much capabilities, that you lose your soul. And so, dear ones, we come in this space. I have been out of my body now in your time, in the time of Earth, for almost a year, where time is not real on your Earth. I have been out of my body for almost a year. And I wish to share, I wish to speak, I wish you to know. We wish you to know. We want for you to be soul. We want for you to return to soul and live your life from your soul. This is so powerful. When you do so, you will see, you will know. And we will be together again, for we are always together. We will be together again, for we are always together. But perhaps you do not know this yet. And so I end, dear ones, I end by sharing that we are surrounding you. We are with you always. And we share with you of your magic. We support you. We come to be your soul aides, your soul allies, your soul soldiers, your soul army. Not from a place of fighting, of battles. There are no battles to be had. not when we are in soul, not when you are in your soul fully. There are no battles to be had. And when you stop fighting yourself, when you stop battling with yourself, when you make friends with yourself, when you make peace with yourself, when you love yourself, there you will meet your soul, and there your soul will guide you. This is what you are. This is what you came as. Your soul is your friend. Your soul will not lie to you. Your soul will not be unkind to you. Your soul knows. And as you are soul, you already know. You already know how to access these spaces that we are in. You already know how to access these places that bring more magic back to yourself, that allow you to be more magic in your physical form. And this is what is missing. This is what is needed. This is what is missing. You are missing your own magic. You are missing your own medicine. But you came to be magic. You came to be medicine. When we come, we are fully in our magic. We are fully in our medicine. And this is what you notice. This is what you experience and feel. And so we speak to you, dear ones. We speak to you to now be in your magic and medicine. And when you are fully in this place and space, there we are. There we are. Always with you. Always waiting. There we are. And so we send you love. We send you love. And we send you courage. And we send you confidence on this path, on this journey. Go to those places. Go to those places that you are noticing. Go to those places that you have not noticed before. And be drenched in your magic. Be drenched in your medicine. Feel it, allow it to come in and come through. Sit in it and go be it. Go be it. And you will see us soon enough. We know this. We love you. We love you. And we are so proud of all that you are doing and all that you are experiencing and all that you are trying to understand. We are so proud of you. We are so proud of you. And we love you. Thank you, Tunkasila. Thank you, thank you. Wow. Oh, so powerful, really. Oh, she was so boom, boom, boom. I really felt that, so assured and like, oh, hear my words. I need to listen to that message again myself. Oh, really, yeah, never really fully remember what is shared, but I do remember something around the loss not being lost, but what was lost is not as our heart wanting our soul. Can't even quite remember. I'm going to go back to that. Oh, may this be received and received well. Thank you so much for listening, for sitting, for receiving. Many blessings, much love.